Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about feelings. Feelings. So, are you happy, angry, hungry, sick, sad, tired, hot, or cold? Hi Sam, how are you? Hi Kate, I'm, thanks. So, hi Kate, I'm happy, thanks. Hi Kate, I'm sad, thanks. Hi Kate, I'm angry, thanks. Hi Kate, I'm hungry, thanks. Hi Kate, I'm cold, thanks. Hi Kate, I'm hot, thanks. Hi Kate, I'm tired, thanks. Hi Kate, I'm sick, thanks. How are you? I'm hot. I'm cold. I'm sick. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm angry. I'm sad. I'm hungry.